we are going to discuss some idiomatic phrases. So idiom is a phrase or expression that typically represent a figurative or non-literal meaning attached to a phrase. Good phrase hoito not literal meaning, it's a non-literal meaning. Something you cannot predict, you cannot guess. So it's a different meaning. Open secret. So open secret means many people know about this, but that is supposed to be a secret. So I have also collected some word that we'll discuss right now. The first one is nipped in the bud. Nip in the bud means, what is called nip in the bud? Nip in the bud means to put an end of something before it's developed. To put an end means end करदबा. To put समूले नष्ट करिबा. To put end an end to something before it developed. बढ़िबा पूर्वरु ताकु नष्ट करिदबा. So according to WHO, the COVID-19 cannot be nipped in the bud before 2022. 2022 पूर्वरु कौनसी प्रकार आमे COVID-19 को फिनिश करि परिबा नाही, इराडिकेट करि परिबा नाही. So of course the COVID vaccination process is going on, and there is also what is called the herd immunity is also still rising, but we cannot prevent. We can prevent, but we cannot control. We cannot eradicate the disease. So we have to live with this disease. This was the statement by WHO. Nip in the bud means समूले नष्ट करिबा. मूलू मारिले जीव सरी दैव सांगे किपा कली. So that is nip in the bud. So we'll proceed to another word, that is open secret. What is open secret? The means kon कहूची. It is open secret. Everyone knows. Many people knows about it, but that was supposed to be secret. I have also written that example. Their love affair is an open secret. Many people knows. Their love affair is an open secret. Open secret means many people knows about it, but that's supposed to be a secret. Then we proceed to another word, that is man of straw. Man of straw means, what is called? Man of straw means weak person. A weak person. Kutta. Straw mane kutta. Man of straw means weak person. पाला भूत भी तैयार हुए तम स्ट्रॉ मैन भी कह जाता पाला भूत गोटे माने कोटारे तैयार होइतिबो मुंडरे गोटे छोट माठिया बसथिबो माटी माठिया ता चिन्ह भी लिखा है भूत टाइप रहितिबो घोस्ट. So a man of straw means he is easily controlled by other because he is a man of straw. Because he is a man of straw. He is easily controlled by other because he is a man of straw. Man of straw means very weak person. Then we will proceed to another word, that is keep someone under thumb. Thumb माने बुढ़ा आंगुली. Keep someone माने निज बुढ़ा आंगुली रे जन को नचेबा. To keep someone under thumb means to keep someone under control. निज बुढ़ा आंगुली कंट्रोल करबा. निज अन्य जन को कंट्रोल रखिबा. To keep someone under thumb. Then we will proceed to another word, that is at 6 and 7. At 6 and 7 means in a state of disorder. ठीक नुह disorder. कौन disorder? The flood had destroyed all the road signs. Flood माने जो बात माने कौन flood means बन्या कौन करछि had destroyed नष्ट करि पकेछि नष्ट भ्रष्ट कर दैछि all the road sign sign उडा सब sign post को. So living driver and commuters at 6-7 means problem तांको problem रे पकेछि means state of disorder. So disorder. The flood has destroyed all the road signs, living drivers and commuters. Commuters means communicate, जो माने पथयात्री माने. At 6 and 7. At 6 and 7 means disorder. We'll proceed to another word, that is set the Thames on fire. That is Thames नदी रे निया लगेबा. It is not actually, it is a literal meaning, but the literal meaning is to achieve something impossible. To accomplish something impossible. Impossible को पाइबा. So there is an example. NASA had never expected that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam would set Thames on fire on launching Agni 5 missile without taking any assistance from any other countries. NASA विश्वास करि पार नथिला जे आशा भी करि नथिला डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम केमिति से थेम्स नदी रे निया लगेलनी कौन थेम्स आईटी कौन थेम्स नदी मीन्स वुड सेट थेम्स ऑन फायर मीन्स अचीव अन इम्पॉसिबल अग्नि 5 मिसाइल को लॉन्च करके इट इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड ग्रेट अचीवमेंट ऑफ एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम सो with the restriction of all what is called from NASA or USA thanks to APJ Abdul Kalam India has successfully his Agni 5 so what is called set the Thames on fire means to get impossible things possible means to achieve something impossible. So here also there is an example and we will proceed to the next question that is under the gun. Under the gun means under the pressure of something means urgent, it is a matter of urgent. Under the pressure of something, do something means there is also example I have written Prakash in particular is under the gun to find an additional job soon. ताकू गोटे additional job दरकार because under pressure to do something तुम बाध्य करिबा under the gun you are in the under the gun means you have to do it now. So Prakash in particular under the gun means urgent to find an additional job soon, additional job आया दरकार. So then we will proceed to the another word that is feeling blue. Feeling blue means unhappy, feeling unhappy, खुशी अनुभव करिबानी दुख. Yesterday I felt blue. Nothing seems to cheer up me. Yesterday I felt blue. I felt blue means mu unhappy thili, upset. I felt upset. I was upset. Yesterday I was upset. And nothing seems to be cheer up me. Then we'll proceed to the another word that is between the devil and the deep sea. So it is dilemmic situation, two unpleasant things. Between the devil and deep sea means to be in dilemma, to be in two equally unpleasant choice. तुम क्या चूज कर डेविल एंड डीप सी हु इज बेटर डेविल बेटर ना डीप सी इज ऑल्सो इक्वली डेंजरस डेविल सो नॉन इज गुड बट यू हैव टू चूज सो between the devils and deep sea means to be in dilemma which things you have to adopt. You have two unpleasant option. Then we proceed to another word as fit as fiddle means strong and healthy. Prakash said to Bikash कहला how are you कहबाटा ठीक नो. There is another stylish English how have you been तुम किपरि अछो. Bikash replied I am fine as fiddle. That means I am well, I am fine as fiddle. बहुत खुशी अछि. I am well. That means I am well, I am fine as fiddle. So we'll proceed to another word that is by hook and crook. By hook or by crook means by one means and another. जेमिति सेमिति निश्चित भाव में. Some students do not hesitate to use unfair means. किछि पिला हेजिटेट करंतिनी unfair means माने कॉपी करबा पई किछि इलीगल एक्ट करबा पई. सो दे वांट टू तांकर उद्देश्य कोन दे वांट टू पास इन एग्जामिनेशन केवल से माने एग्जामिनेशन ले पास हेबे नथिंग एल्स. सो they want to pass by hook or crook. So we'll proceed to another word that is smell a rat. Smell a rat means to suspect, to become suspicious. So we started smell a rat, suspect when we started suspect or smell a rat when he asked for an extra 5,000 rupees deposit. So the extra 5,000 कहले we start suspect means to smell a rat माने मुसा परी सुंगिबा. Smell a rat. So we'll proceed to another word that is above all. Above all means most important of all, especially सबुठु गुरुत्वपूर्ण कौन above all सर्वोपरि. Keep in touch मो सहित तुम कांटेक्ट रुह. So then we'll proceed to another word that is absence makes heart grow fonder. Absence कौन करे हार्ट रो फंडरनेस को बढ़ाए. स्पेस रिलेशनशिप रे absence makes more what is called माने heart makes heart grow fonder means used to say when you are away from somebody that you love. जन को तुम बहुत भल पाओ तुम किसी दूर को चली जाइछ their absence you will feel his absence or her absence you will feel his importance of presence. तुम पाखर से थिला बेले तांकर इंपोर्टेंस तुम जानी परिबो नहीं जेतबेले से नथिबो then you will feel his or her or its importance that you love them even more. तापर कौन करिवो तुम निश्चित भाव में मन पकेबो एवं you will start loving. So you start loving. That is absence makes heart grow fonder. So relationship space is also needed. Then we'll come to the another word, that is in abundance. In abundance means large quantity, huge number. That is more than enough. Fruits and vegetables grew in abundance on island. Island re कौन करछि that is a large quantity, that is more than enough. बहुत fruits and vegetables grew in abundance. बहुत भाव होछि प्रचुर भाव. Then we will proceed to another word, in accord with. In accord with means an agreement. An action would not be accord with our police. आम police अनुसार है नहीं. The action would not be in accord with our police. Accord means agreement with. In accord with somebody or something. STH means something. SB means somebody. So the action would not be in accord with our police. आम police अनुसार है नहीं. So by from all contacts, all accounts. By from all account means according to what other people say. I have never been there, but it is lovely place by all account. I have never been there means ମୁଁ କେବେ ସେଠି ଯାଇ ନାହିଁ. Been means କ'ଣ? Gone and back. I have never been there. It is a lovely place by all account means ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କର କହିବା ଅନୁସାରେ it is a lovely place. So I have never been there means from all account means the suggestion, the opinion of the peoples. By his own account means the opinion by me or myself. So by his own account he had unhappy childhood means, so that word by his own account means according to what you say or yourself. So then we'll proceed to another word, that is born a hole in a one's pocket. Born in a hole in one pocket means, so it is money spent quickly. बहुत स्पीड मनी खर्च करदेबा, टंका खर्च करदेबा, हटा होची कोन born a hole in one pocket. That means your savings account is eating a hole in a pocket. That means saving account कोन होची खर्च होई चलची. So the amount is spent quickly. That is the saving account is eating a hole in a pocket. Then we'll come to the last word, in and outs. In and outs means full detail. Full detail means he knows ins and outs of my life. मो जीवन रो सबु रहस्य से जानी छी. Ins and outs means full detail. So we'll discuss in the next upcoming class. See you then.